Good evening, sir. I am Usno Karmakar. Today I will discuss my assignment topic. First of all, I will talk about the answer to the first question. Here we need to draw a block diagram. There are 7 parts in this block diagram. First one, RFID sensor. It represents detect passenger entry. And analog to digital converter. It represents digital signal for processing. Synchronous counter, it represents input from analog to digital converter and provides into finite state machine and digital to analog converter. Finite state machine, it represent and get state based on the counter value, and digital to analog converter, it represent passenger count from the synchronous counter into an analog signal for the control room. And last of all, alarm unit, it represent receive input from RFID sensor and analog to digital converter and potential the finite state machine. And that is the block diagram. In the second question, I will discuss FSM counter, and there are 3 states in this counter: check, open and close. In this counter table, I find out equation for nested and equation for output, and also write down the VeriLog HDL code in this counter. In the third question, I identify the control triple fly timer, and this expression can be implemented using NAND gate by applying De Morgan theorem. If more than 3 passengers cross sequentially, the alarm trigger only when all 4 sensor is equal 1, and the alarm signal is connected to the reset pin of 555 timer. When alarm equal 1, reset equal high, 555 enable, output is buzzer on. When alarm equal 0, reset equal low, 555 disable and buzzer off. In the fourth question, to find out which capacitor is the most suitable, first of all I find out TH and TL value, and then for each capacitor I find out R1 and R2 value, and last of all I find out capacitor 15 microfarad is the most suitable among the 3 capacitor. In the fifth question, to find out the Bout value for 5 passenger and the for 10 passenger, Bout value is minus 13 volt for 5 passenger and Bout value is minus 6 volt for 10 passenger. In the last question, I will talk about limitation of the metro safety system. There are 6 parts using in this system. Passenger counting accuracy is low, fixed capacity limited, analog signal noise, no backup, women factors not considered. And thank you everyone for listening my video presentation.